I'm here to talk about the analytics platform. So what we have in here is we actually have an analytics demo coming up for a CNC miller. As you can see here, our CNC miller in question is actually located at the McCormick Place here in Chicago. If I go ahead and click on this, I'll actually zoom in further in case you had multiple machines closer together. Now that we've got this guy selected, we can go ahead and dive into our more specific information. This guy is a very simple demo just showing our overall machine health and our basic X, Y, and Z axes for our CNC. Coming in and selecting our machine health, we're able to see what our main machine mode is operating in. Coming in from there, we can extend into our specific axes, and here we're able to see a little bit more of interesting information. So what we're monitoring here is the actual torque, the min, max, and average. So what we're seeing here is we're actually getting a log of the machine's torque values. So let's say we were to see a bearing start to go out, we could start seeing abnormalities or deviations from these values. You would actually see that a lot clearer on something like a graph. This is actually running from the same data source, just on a tablet instead of this monitor. Software such as this can be utilized for predictive maintenance or just viewing machine parameters remotely. This is all very easy and simple to set up within our TwinCAT environment. Everything from the PLC, HMI, analytics, and motion is all going to be done in the same development interface. So here we can see the CNC program that's actually running our analytics driver. So on here we can see our X, Y, Z axis currently being utilized to trace this steel plate.